best years of your life are behind you,
This is hard. This is hard.
or right in front of your stupid face? In front of your stupid face. Thank you so much.
I hope it's gonna help you.
Thank you. Bye.
Hey, what's going on? Yeah, you want some of them samples? And answer some quick questions about them? Oh, sweet. How often a week would you say that you eat salsa? Never. Okay. Oh man. Do you have